The iPhone 18 could bring a major camera upgrade, and this time the spotlight is on Samsung in Texas. A new report suggests that Samsung is preparing to manufacture advanced CMOS camera sensors in Austin, Texas, specifically for Apple's future iPhones. If everything goes according to plan, these sensors could make their debut in the iPhone 18 lineup, marking an important shift in Apple's camera supply chain. According to a report by the ILEC, Samsung has already started hiring specialists for its Austin facility. Job listings show that the company is looking for mechanical and electrical project managers who will work inside a semiconductor fabrication plant. These roles are critical for setting up and managing the complex systems needed for chip production. This hiring activity strongly hints that Samsung is moving closer to large-scale manufacturing. The most interesting part of this development is what Samsung plans to produce at this facility. Reports say the Austin fab will be used for mass production of CMOS image sensors, and these sensors will be reserved for Apple's future iPhones. If production really begins as early as March 2026, there is a strong chance that these Texas-made sensors will be ready in time for the iPhone 18 series. This could mean that, for the first time, iPhones might feature camera sensors that are not only designed for Apple but also made in the United States. The idea of a "made in Texas" camera sensor is already creating excitement, especially among those who closely follow Apple's hardware decisions and supply chain strategies. There is also speculation about which iPhone models will receive this new sensor. Apple often uses exclusive hardware features to differentiate its Pro models from the standard ones. If these Samsung sensors are truly advanced and expensive to produce, Apple could limit them to the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. This would give the Pro models a clear camera advantage and could further boost their sales, just like previous years. As for which camera could benefit from the new sensor, the main camera seems like the most likely candidate. The primary sensor plays the biggest role in everyday photography, low light performance, and video quality. However, there is also a chance that Apple could extend the upgrade to other cameras such as the telephoto or ultra-wide, depending on production capacity and cost. A full camera system upgrade would be ideal, but Apple usually takes a more gradual approach. Behind the scenes, Samsung's Austin facility is going through important preparation stages. Reports mention that the hookup phase is already underway. This includes installing essential utility pipelines like gas and water, which are required to run advanced semiconductor manufacturing equipment. Managers overseeing this phase are working closely with designers, suppliers, and equipment engineers to ensure everything matches the strict requirements of chip production. These steps also suggest that the cleanroom setup is nearly complete. Cleanrooms are highly controlled environments where even tiny particles of dust can ruin a chip. Production equipment is typically installed only after all utility hookups are finalized, so this progress indicates that Samsung is moving closer to actual manufacturing. Cleanliness is a massive part of chip production, especially for image sensors. Removing contaminants such as unwanted oxide layers or defective metal is critical. Surface cleaning alone can account for up to 40% of the total steps in chip manufacturing. This directly affects yield, reliability, and overall performance. For camera sensors, even the smallest defect can impact image quality, so these processes must be nearly perfect. Earlier this month, Samsung informed the Austin City Council about its plans to invest an additional $19 billion into its local facility. This investment will cover repair and maintenance work, along with the purchase of advanced manufacturing equipment. Industry sources believe this spending is directly connected to a deal secured in August, where Samsung agreed to supply Apple with CMOS image sensors. This is not the first time rumors like this have surfaced. For many years, Sony has been Apple's main supplier of camera sensors for the iPhone. Sony sensors are widely praised for their quality, speed, and reliability. However, Apple has been exploring alternatives, and Samsung has been working quietly to catch up and even surpass existing solutions. About a year ago, well-known analyst Ming-Chi Kuo reported that Apple might turn to Samsung for future image sensors. According to that report, Samsung has been developing a new 3-layer stacked image sensor specifically for Apple. This design is quite different from traditional sensors and could bring noticeable improvements. In a 3-layer stacked sensor, the light-capturing photodiode layer is separated from the processing layer. This allows each layer to be optimized for its specific task. The result is faster image capture, better performance in low light conditions, improved dynamic range, and more accurate colors. These are exactly the areas where smartphone cameras continue to evolve. If this new sensor makes its way into the iPhone 18, users could see sharper photos, cleaner night shots, and smoother video recording. Faster readout speeds could also reduce motion blur and rolling shutter effects, which is especially important for video and action photography. The timing of this rumor is also interesting. The iPhone 17 Pro already received a solid camera hardware upgrade, raising expectations for what comes next. Apple usually builds on previous improvements rather than starting from scratch, so pairing new software features with a powerful new sensor would make sense for the iPhone 18. A move like this would also strengthen Apple's relationship with Samsung on the component side, even though the two companies compete fiercely in the smartphone market. It shows how complex and interconnected the tech industry has become, where rivals often rely on each other to push technology forward. If Samsung successfully delivers these sensors from its Austin facility, it could mark a turning point for both companies. For Apple, it means more supply chain diversity and potentially better control over future camera innovation. For Samsung, it means proving that its image sensor technology can stand alongside, or even replace Sony's long-standing dominance in iPhones. As more details emerge in the coming months, this Made in Texas camera sensor could become one of the most talked about features of the iPhone 18. If the reports are accurate, the next generation of iPhones may not just look new on the outside, but also see the world in a completely new way through their cameras.